guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this lovely face for the first time, my name is Miss Tiwana, but you can call me T. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. I hope you love it here. I hope you enjoy. Please feel at home. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Subscription is free of charge. You're not charged anything. Go ahead and subscribe, share, like, and comment on this video and all my other videos that you've not watched. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you're notified every time a new video pops up. So right now it's in the morning and it's raining heavily. I am going to work, but first I am going to place my friend recommended. She told me it has really amazing vases, so that's where I am going today. And I want to check it out. Now that it's raining, I assume there are no people, so I want to go and see what is there. And she told me this place has amazing ceramic vases and those small decor pieces. I want to finish my kitchen project. I keep postponing it, and I just realized I have a lot of work that I have to edit. I have videos that I have not edited, so I feel like let me get this out of the way and see the way forward. So in this video I'm gonna be making over my kitchen. I feel like I've over postponed this video, but I think it's high time. I'm just left with a few pieces to finish everything. So yeah, what else am I going to do? I was meant to call my cleaners, but I think I'll call Gerald next week. Yeah, I'm actually out of time. I haven't figured out how to use my DJI so I'm trying to get used to it. And I think, yeah, that's it. Let's go to town.
There's a beauty in the way you're worn, and the sharpness of your thorns, so vibrant in the imperfections. In the pain there's something real, all that anger so concealed. Still you're lost in how to feel, just let me hold that severed world. The pieces feel so cold. All the tears won't bring it back to life, but hate will always grow.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I hope you're all doing great. I hope you're having a lovely Sunday. So today, right here with me, I have some things that I purchased. I just want to get done with this whole kitchen thing. I don't know why I keep postponing, but I just realized I do not have time. I'm out of time, and I feel like I just want to let it go. Okay, so these are the things I purchased, and I'm going to be plugging you. I did not get all these from one place, but you guys, I am excited. You're not ready, so let me give you a quick haul of everything that I purchased for the kitchen. And I think, yeah, I won't be buying anything. I think this is all that I need. I think I am ready to do a kitchen makeover, where she bought these, and these were really affordable. This was, I think, 25,000. It is so beautiful. I just want to get I want to go back there and buy one for my bedroom. I think this is good. The second item is this I don't know how it's called. It's wooden, the one that is used for making chapati, but I'm going to use it as a base to hold my cooking oil bottles and all that. You'll see how I'm going to decorate that. Okay, so I got this for Puris. I got them in. It's gonna be my first time to use them. I just hope they smell really nice. Okay? Yeah, and I got this for my cutlery. Yeah, I didn't have one for. I just want to like attach it to my dish rack. Yeah, I got this, and I got this from Selena. I don't remember the price, but I think it was 10,000. Yeah. So I also got this spray bottle for the cooking oil. I want to put my olive oil here. I got it in this color black. Yeah, this was also 10,000. This is glass, and yeah, I got this from Selena as well. And I also got, this was my best purchase. I got myself this tea storage. This was amazing. I got this from the same place I got the ceramic vase. This was nice. The fact that it has some wood on it. Yeah, this was my best. Okay, I'm going to show you how I am going to decorate it. I'm super excited. I tried to order this from Shein, but somehow I don't know what happened. I didn't receive my items, so I was really glad. This was 20,000 as well. It has 6 compartments. Yeah, so beautiful. And I also got this storage thing. This can be used for storing like receipts, those kitchen small things. I'm going to show you as well how I'm going to decorate it. It has some wood, but now you know how much I love neutral colors. It has some wood and the shades of nudes. Yeah, this was beautiful. I got this, I think at 8,000. Okay, so I got this thing for making chapati. Yeah, it has a handle, and the fact that it has, you know, this. I got this from Chinatown at only 5,000 shillings. So I think the rest of these I got them from Rameji, the thrift store. I got these. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use them for. I got 2 of them. And I also got this thing. This is a stand for my cooking book. I'm going to show you as well how it's going to work. So yeah, I got this from Rameji. I don't remember the price, but I think it was like 6,000. I got myself this, the Fast Diet Cookbook by Dr. Makeover, mostly. This is really nice. So I saw this before, and when I was at the thrift store, I found it. So I'm like, why not take this cooking book? I want to take my cooking on the next level, but the only way I could do that is to get myself a cooking book, and also for aesthetics in my kitchen. Okay, I got this here. This is, it says it's a candle holder, but I'm going to put my pot purees here in this thing. Yeah, this was 10,000. I got this from Rameji as well. These guys have really amazing things. You should check them out. I think they have 2 stores, but I know one in Bunda. Lastly, I got this. Okay, I got this here. It's like a mug, but I'm going to use it to hold my cooking spoons. Yeah, I'm gonna use it to hold my cooking spoons. You'll see how everything is gonna make sense right now. So yeah, this is all I got, and let me first of all put my hot purees here, and we see.
Saw you in a field of ice and snow, holding out your hand for me to go. Wasn't scared to see you, always knew it in my bones. that something here was bound to take me home. You said you don't know me well, but I'm your angel in white. I'll be close if you come, I'll be just behind you. You're not on the list, but I can get you inside. Use your mind, listen to my voices and guide you. You give yourself over, yeah, you don't wanna fight. If you do, I'm gonna bid you a hard cold goodnight. Baby, hang on to your ticket, you're doing alright. And if you don't trust it, hold it up to the light. Hold it up to the light.
So this is how the pot puree looks like. So these are dry petals. I feel like this is really nice. They do smell really amazing. And yeah, this is the current situation of my kitchen. Yeah, this is how disorganized it is right now, but I promise you I'm gonna switch up each and everything. And yeah, you are not ready for the transition. I want the countertops to be like, to have less things, because it doesn't really bring out exactly what I want to. I want to put each and everything that is on the counter in the cabinets. Yeah, I also want to switch that rack. I've been with that rack for 4 years now, so it's high time I switch it. And also here is my stand that I got from Chinatown. I did a Chinatown haul. If you didn't watch that, please go and watch it. So I'm going to put that somewhere. I just have to take care of it. Yep. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Yeah.
We in the bag and we bugging it to ya. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the dish. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows I brings it over. She gets down just like brings it over. Run the block, she's not totally shy. So you know that dish bag, watch her blow over. It's away.
I asked my carpenter to do this for me and he actually delivered clean work, but the problem, he's so stressful. He does really amazing work, but this guy, he's so stressful. So this is my spicy rack. I didn't want anything plastic or metallic. I wanted something wooden. And yeah, I'm gonna be putting all my spices here. Have to go the other side because these are not cups, these are for soup, so they have to go where the plates are.
Somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you're always on my mind. When you come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time. When I see you, when I see you, I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're trying to stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I just wanna know, baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy. When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you're always on my mind. When you come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time. When I see you, when I see you, I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. In the zone when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I just wanna know, baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy. I don't know, around you. When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you're always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, when I see you, I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah, 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 yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy. I don't know around you. On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you're always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, when I see you, I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, baby, something now is taking over me. Yeah.
has finally come to an end. Thank you so much. If you've watched from the start till this point, I really appreciate you all, and I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to each and everyone that has been here from day one, and I thank you for the love and the support that you've given me. I don't really take this for granted. If you're new to this family, you're most welcome. I hope you stay. I hope you enjoy it here. If you have any suggestions or videos that you want to watch on my channel, kindly comment. I'll do that. And if you have any question regarding this video or any inquiry, kindly comment down below. Tell me what you think about this video. I'm so excited that this project has finally come to an end, and I'm super happy that everything turned out exactly how I had it in my mind. I'm so happy with the results and proud of myself.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing the story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only lonely me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.